Welcome to this tutorial video about Excel's AI built-in accessibility features. A note before we get started. Anything we cover today may change tomorrow, or it might have changed right before today. We need to be flexible and adapt. AI stands for artificial intelligence. AI generally refers to the capability of a computer to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes activities like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. We need to talk about what version of Excel works before we go any further. Microsoft Excel 365 for Windows was used to create this tutorial. Excel for Mac and Excel for Web both work for the steps in this tutorial. The file needed for this tutorial is named datafile.xlsx. You can download it from http://tiny.cc/ai-files. When you open the Excel file called Data File, you will see several worksheets. The one needed for this tutorial is the Access worksheet. Alternative text, or alt text, is one of the most basic and helpful ways to improve accessibility of digital images. It is a description of a digital image written into the code behind an image and is read aloud to blind individuals using screen reader software to provide information on what the image is all about. Excel will usually generate alt text for you when you insert an image. To see Excel in action generating alt text, on the Access worksheet, on the Insert tab, click the drop-down arrow for Pictures. In the drop-down menus, click Place over Cells and then Stock Images. Click on any stock image. Here I clicked on an image from the Business category. Then click Insert. Right-click the image and in the drop-down menu, click View Alt Text. Excel displays the alt text associated with the image. If Excel does not automatically generate alt text, you can type it in the box. Notice the Mark as Decorative checkbox. If you click the box, you're telling assistive technologies like screen readers that the object does not convey any essential information and can be ignored. This helps to streamline the experience for users relying on screen readers by not interrupting the flow of content with unnecessary descriptions. Don't rush through. Alt tags are really important for accessibility. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.